Hey, Chris here. I'm going to be jumping in and having a look at AI Nexa Meet to give you a review of what the product is all about. It is a Zoom alternative. If you need that in your life for webinars and conferencing and things like that, then it certainly is worth a look. So let's dive in. Yeah, Chris here from Chris Profits. Thanks so much for checking out this product review. I'm going to give you an honest opinion on whether it's a good investment for you. Just quickly though, before we get started, if you'd like to work with my own internet marketing coaches, Trevor, Fergal and Max of the 100K Alliance, the guys who basically helped me build my online business from zero all the way up to 10K per month, then check that out from the first link in the description for this video. It is super affordable, but most importantly for me, the guys really want you to succeed and they will help you every step of the way. Now, back to the product review. You can grab the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I'm going to give you over $1,000 worth of bonuses. So bonus one is the List Prodigy course, which helps you get traffic on tap to all of your offers. Then the next bonus is AI Prodigy for how to build a monetized faceless YouTube channel for building passive income that way. Bonus 3 is 150,000 stock images, so you always have the right image for your sites and your products. Bonus 4 is the high ticket sales secrets course, because that's where the real money is. And bonus 5 is the 6-figure business owner masterclass, a full course on how to build your internet marketing business from the ground up. Anyway, thank you for your patience listening to all that. Let's jump in to the product review to see if it's worth the money. So essentially, AI Nexa Meet is for online meetings, live classes, video chat, consultations, education, dating, social media, business meetings, group discussions, really anything that you would normally use Zoom or Google Meet or Teams or WebEx for. But the difference with AI Nexa Meet is the low price, obviously. So you're going to get unlimited video conferencing, high definition video quality, save yourself a lot of money on what you would normally spend on Zoom, Google Meet, Teams, WebEx, and all that jazz. So just to give you an idea of how it's different from those existing platforms, let's just have a quick watch of this short explainer video.
Introducing AI NexaMeet, AI NexaMeet stands out from regular webinar software as a revolutionary tool with unique features. It's not just a tool, it's your virtual ally, ready to transform your online events into seamless experiences with a click of its digital magic. No more banging your head against the wall trying to understand complicated platforms. AI NexaMeet is the friendliest companion you'll ever meet, guiding you through the virtual realm with simplicity, no matter your tech background. So, why make the switch to AI NexaMeet? It's user-friendly. AI NexaMeet is easy peasy, even if you're not a tech genius. Unlimited virtual creativity. Turn your virtual events into engaging experiences. Seriously, it's like magic. Audience magnet. Make your online events go viral. Webinars, live classes, virtual consultations. Watch them get attention like never before. Access a treasure trove of features, without the security concerns. It's like having your own private virtual event suite. Turn your newfound hosting skills into cash. AI NexaMeet can bring in profits effortlessly. Cha-ching! Save money. Forget about monthly fees for multiple tools. But AI NexaMeet doesn't stop there. It's your ticket to a virtual event boosting paradise, where your online presence becomes a magnetic force. From webinars to virtual consultations, watch your virtual content transform into a captivating spectacle, grabbing attention in a sea of digital noise. So, why settle for lackluster virtual events when you can have extraordinary ones? Grab your subscription to AI Nexa Meet and elevate your virtual game. Your online events will be so good, they'll practically steal the virtual spotlight. Don't let subpar virtual events ruin your vibe. Level up with AI Nexa Meet. Ready to take your virtual game to the next level? Hit the buy button right now.
I really hope that's helped you come to a decision on this one. Remember, if you choose to go ahead and grab it, you will get those 5 bonuses worth over $1,000 if you click on the second link in the description of this video. And also, just finally, remember, if you would like to work with my own internet marketing coaches over at the 100K Alliance to get all the help, support, motivation, and information that you need basically to build your online income up to 10K per month, then check out the first link in the description to check that out. But I'll chat to you soon, mate. Take care.